Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look and we are going to be using the Nars Cool Crush palette, which looks like this. It is so beautiful and these shades here were really just, they were calling my name. So I decided to do something that's a little bit more on the bold side, but it's still very much wearable. I think as long as you find balance with the colors, you can definitely wear this look out during the daytime. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, so today we are going to be playing with this beauty. This is the Nars Cool Crush palette. Looks like this. It is so beautiful. These colors are just, they're singing to me. So I'm going to start off by taking my Lane Low Paint Pot by MAC and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I'm going to take this shade here. This is the top row, by the way, so it's this shade, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush just to set this and to really get a really smooth and even lid. Now I'm going to take this shade here. So this is the first shade, this is the second shade, and I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to apply this in the crease and then also the outer corner. This shade is so beautiful. It's just like a meh kind of shade, but it's stunning. They are so smooth and pigmented, it's insane. I'm going to take the same brush and the same color and just run it on my lower lash line. So I'm torn because I really want to use this color, but I also want to use this color, and while they look pretty together, I kind of want this to be the center of attention. So I am going to take, that was easy, right? Let's start off by taking this shade and applying it to the inner part of my eye. I think I'm going to try using my finger. There it is. Man, this color is beautiful. We're going to leave it there. I'm going to go in with this shade here, using the same brush that I used to lay down that brown tone. And I'm just going to pat this in the outer corner. I'm going to try taking this shade Wet. I got a little bit of fallout. I really like the way this looks. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on and we'll come back and finish this look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. On my lips, I used Huda Beauty's Bombshell Lip Liner and Pat McGrath in Fever Dream, which is just a really beautiful orangey nude shade, and I thought it complemented the eyes really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what are some videos that you'd like to see up on my channel. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.